Okay, so I got my basic setup here. I've saved us a few steps. By now, I'm going to assume that you are familiar with at least a basic layout for a SwiftUI view. I'm going to go very quickly through what I've done here to get us started. I created a new SwiftUI application. This one's for iOS, but it really doesn't matter. It's the same principle throughout anything that uses SwiftUI. I have a content view that I've created here with a navigation view, so that we can alternate between this kind of a detail, a list and a details view here to show moving the data around. I've got a VStack with two hard-coded navigation links here that open up. The destination is this item details view. I'll go to that in a second. And they've just got two different labels. You can see them here. Over here, I've created a group called views, and in there I have the item details view. And again, in here, I've got a VStack, and then inside there, I've got two HStacks. One, so that the reason I've done it this way is I've got a label on the left and the details on the right. And you can see that in the preview screen here. So right now, this is hard-coded. This is where we're going to be sending our data later on. Let's go back to the content view here, and I'm just going to run this so you can see what happens. So we've got our list here with an item 1 and an item 2. Whenever you click one, it's going to trigger the navigation link here and just go off to that details view with the hard-coded data. Same thing for number 2 right now, because they're both going to be using the same view where we're going to put the data in dynamically. That is our basic setup. So let's go ahead and start working with the data here.